We're out of Pavilion, New York. We have Graham and Son Incorporated. We do a lot of agricultural stuff. So this is my 79 Peterbilt that we bought back in 2012. So I think I'm the third owner. When I bought the truck, I paid $800 for it in 2012. The dash was hanging out of it. The headlights had a house wiring switch. The carpet had to be peeled up because the mice and the rats and everything used it as a bathroom. There was a section in the frame that's actually how it got extended behind the fuel tanks, where the frame had broke and they cut the gap too big, so they stuffed a 3/8 bolt in there and welded both sides of the bolt. It was a wreck when I bought it. So we tore everything apart, we redid everything. We went from a short hood to a long hood. It's all new frame, body panels, the roofs, everything's been changed on this truck. Converted it over to an electronic engine, 3406E. We pulled the truck, so we got it turned up to about 1250 to the ground, to the wheels. 15 speed, 411 gears, updated rears. It's rears out of a 95, but we stuck with the Bud wheels anyways to keep it, it's a pulling truck and we don't have to work on it every day either, so. All custom interior, it's custom paint. The kid that painted it did a phenomenal job. It's all tri-coat pearl. The back of the truck is a tribute for my daughter's mother that passed away when she was 20 months old. He did that in a product called LumiLor. Every detail on this truck has been thought through. When I first built the truck, we were trying to get semi-pulling back in New York State, and it was a tough deal. I built the truck long, and I built it so that it has air ride so we can teeter it and everything like that. And it wasn't welcomed by everybody, and I kind of got called a show-off and this and that, so it just kind of stuck. So I have another truck that we run in an upper class that has to be put on a trailer to run. And that one was pink, and it was done more or less just to, a lot of people when they go through stuff when it comes to cancer, they don't realize that you feel alone. Like you feel like nobody's ever been through what you've been through. And I wanted to do something where people could see that you're not alone. And I had people come up to me, and I've cried with complete strangers telling me their stories and stuff like that. And I kind of wanted to tie the two trucks in together so that everybody knew that both of them were mine. We tore it all down. The bunk, it's not the original bunk for the truck. I had a friend of mine that he day cabbed a 359 for a pulling truck. He gave me the bunk, and then we started, one of the panels in the rear had like dents in it, so we started cutting the rivets out. Well, when we started cutting the rivets out, it started putting holes down through all the panels, and I said, that's it, we're doing everything. We're gonna do this right. So we big holed it. Always wanted an extended hood. It was a short hood to begin with. We put new frame in it. The frame was a little sketchy. I just wanted a truck that I didn't have to worry about. I got hooked up with the right people. The kid that painted it, Richie Sykes out of Springwater, New York. We got introduced through a mutual friend, and he's become a great friend of mine. And he does, obviously you can see what he does. He does phenomenal work. His name's even on the back of the truck because, how can you not be proud of what this guy did? So, but every detail, every bolt, frame that we wrapped the frame in stainless. So it was an experience. We got to meet a lot of cool people, a lot of talented people, through the build. It's amazing that our little small community in New York, within 35 miles, there's so many people that are so talented. The pinstriping guy was only 40 minutes away. The paint guy's 40 minutes away. The upholstery guy was 35 minutes away, which I must say that Mike Morano, he does a lot of boats and stuff like that. He did this project for me, and the interior just came out phenomenal. The guy he worked with me every step of the way. It was a great experience. And the stainless is all bent by a local company that puts up grain bins. And Martin, them guys are just phenomenal. They bent over backwards to help me, but they love stuff like this too, so they were excited to see it come together. We're pushing 2.5 years on the build. I drilled every hole in this. I put every rivet, every bolt. I was there when the kid painted it all. I had a lot of fun. I wanted to be there. It was kind of neat to see what the factory goes through to do this stuff, Everything is just sealed up nice. I'm very proud of this thing.